What do you mean, no, Punter? Psych!
Run.
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Come out of nowhere!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Run.
Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip?
It's good, Nettie. I'm in jail. I tried to escape and they got me. I think I'm getting a little bit too sick. So my voice is really down today. Go to the yard? Okay. Don't mind me, I'm just on the trampoline. Breaking my legs like it's nothing special. Get what? Oh shit, one of my boys just joined the game. Hunter, come on, follow me. Snow Bro knows a secret way out. Santa, yes, I'm Santa. I'm Santa Snow.
Why?
I'm Jack Frost, but in the one movie where he becomes Santa Claus. Follow me. We're taking the easy way out because we're cheap asses.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm exploding this wall, observe. I have TNT in this bag of toys. Escaping with Santa. Yes. Yeah. Santa boy. We just blew up a wall. Oh yeah, we robbed the toy store and I just pretended to be Santa even though I looked like a snowman.
He's fat.
Oh, there's a policeman. Go, 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 go. Juke him, juke him, juke his ass.
But Santa's slow because he's fat.
Hunter, you're getting killed. I hope you...
Snowman.
Shh, I'm Santa. I'm fucking Santa. Don't worry about it. Hunter's just casually breaking out. Santa breaking out. Surprise, boy.
You're Frosty the Snowman.
I'm Jack Frost Santa Claus. What are you talking about?
Hello.
I'm Jack Frost Santa
No.
Claus. It's in the one Santa Claus movie where Jack Frost becomes
Fat.
Santa Claus. That's what I am. We're being
No.
secretive. This police
No.
person can't get us, but I can slap her.
You're fat.
What's up? What's up? Yeah, that's right. You better back up. Look,
Snowman.
do I look like I'm playing games? I'm a snowman. Back up. Back up.
Snowmen are fat.
I'm a snowman. I'm here to take people's lives.
Then you're fat.
Back, you Popo. Back, Popo. Demon. The power of donut brings you.
No, you tiny fat.
Why'd I get arrested too? I didn't do anything. I actually didn't do anything, and he still got away with arresting me.
Push me. How dare you? I'm gonna
What's up,
shoot you.
Hunter? Oh my god, he has a gun.
Get
Hunter
out of
has
here.
a gun.
Get out of here.
Oh my
Get
god.
out of here.
You want my presents? Because you ain't getting them. I'm gonna kill this man. Santa. Yes, it's Santa. Ho, 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 children. It's Santa.
Stupid.
What the hell? What? Excuse you? Wait, hold up. Let me gear up. I know there's like some secret guns in here. Oh god, don't squish me, Hunter. No! Look, we got a pistol and a shotgun. Where's the AK? Is that at the oh my god, the AK is at the gun store. We need that. It's really overpowered. Oh no, because you thought that was me.
Where my cookie at? I
Your
want a
cookie
cookie.
is somewhere. You don't know where.
Cookie is.
I'm not gonna tell you where my cookie is. My cookie.
Where the cookie at?
My cookie.
Where's the cookie at?
My cookie. Natty, get on! Alright, Natty, we both have cookies.
That's it. I'm using a helicopter.
Me and Natty
I'm
have
chasing
cookies now.
her.
What you gonna do? It's cookies. No, hold on. I'm still on it's
Cookies.
cookies. Not donuts.
It's
Natty
donuts.
and me have cookies. What you gonna do? I'm
I'm gonna chase
Santa. What do
after
you
you.
expect?
You're gonna not see me. I'm in a helicopter.
I'm Santa. You ain't gonna find me. I'm magical. Abracadabra. I'm gone.
You're eating
Look, I'm just gonna
cookies.
fight for the right. Oh God, Hunter, why? Guys, put your guns together.
Where's
Fight
the
for the right.
cookie?
Oh no, I see a helicopter. Should we shoot it down? Nettie, this is a mugging. I'm aiming my gun at you. What are you gonna do? Oh no, he also has a gun. A Sasuke. Sasuke! Policeman, run! Can you keep up, Nettie?
Flying away because I'm getting shot.
Yeah, it's because no one wants you here. We're having a gun seizure. Boom! Look how overpowered it is. It has the powers of all the gun that can stop time and stuff. It has a circle so it can't be hit. Ooh! Get him, Nettie. And before the train comes in and rams us.
Chapter.
Be flying away, boys.
No.
Yeah, I'm only using Nettie's horn as a disarming device. Boys, you ready for this? Indiana Jones! Dun, dun,
You get
dun.
no cookie.
I'm on. We're not on the right way. No! Nettie! Nettie! Simba! You see that-
Simba.
You see that jump, Hunter? I just landed in the car. It was magical. Magical like me. Policia, Nettie, shoot it down.
No. Give me cookie first.
You'll never get my cookie.
The police helicopter is running away from you because it dislikes you.
Good.
And you never gonna get my police helicopter.
I missed it.
Oh.
Hands on the others.
Pieces.
Hunter, where are you now? Oh, I think I see you. I'm Santa.
No.
Me in this car.
You're fat.
Wow, can you not afford this? How much does this
I have
cost?
a food.
9,000? That's not bad. Yo, Nettie, how's life? You guys excited for Christmas? What do you mean, no, Hunter?
Fat thief.
No, man, 90s juked you.
No, he's a thief.
You should subscribe, like, and comment. And we got split over.